Hello and welcome. I am Shrestha from eHouser and I'm your trusted property advisor. And today I'm thrilled to tell you about one of the best projects that's coming in Gurgaon, that is M3M Golf Estate Altitude. Yes, it is a delivered project. However, they are bringing three new towers. Yes, that's correct. Tower A, B, C, spread over 4 acres of land. The entire project is spread over 56 acres of land, and this is the flagship project of M3M. And so we are at the construction site of M3M Altitude, as you can see right here, which is part of the Golf Estate project. So this land parcel where the three towers are coming for Golf Estate is spread over approximately 4 acres of land, and the entire project is in, like you see from there to there, it is all visible. It is under 56 acres of land, and this is the connecting road to MR Hills. So as you know that there are three towers coming in, and currently the bookings are going on for the first two towers, which is A and B. And you can also see the proximity to the IFC, which is like right there. The blue building that you're able to see there, that is IFC. So it is bang on golf course extension. It is one of the best projects that we have in Gurgaon. M3M Golf Estate is not just a residential project, it is a lifestyle destination designed to offer the best of sophistication, comfort, and sustainability. With these three new towers, you have a chance to own the unparalleled amenities and world-class infrastructure. Let's list down what all amenities you can get. With amenities like swimming pool, in-house restaurants, and gymnasium, as well as there is a clubhouse, a separate clubhouse absolutely for the three towers, which is spread over 1.25 lakh square feet area, which is quite huge, and it is the world's best of the amenities out there. The ultra luxurious apartments are available in 3 and 4 BHK configurations, and which has 8 3 BHK houses, and rest of them are 4 BHK houses, which with every tower has about 32 G plus 32 configuration. Square feet, which is quite huge. That is for penthouses. So as you can see, the range of the prices, the range of the sizes are quite good. And the best part about this project is its location. For the unversed, I'd like to tell that golf course extension is the most sought after locations in Gurgaon because of its proximity to the best of the schools, the hospitals, the best of the roads. Living here means getting the best of the urban life you can enjoy in Gurgaon. For best deals, contact eHouser at www.ehouser.com and call us at 911 700 1122. You can also email us at hello@ehouser.com. And yes, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more of such updates. Thank you very much. Bye bye.